Hello everyone and welcome to the Collections Centre here at Brooklands Museum. My name is Vicky and I'm the Collections and Archive Relocation Assistant.
I'm Anna, I'm the Collections Care and Documentation Officer, and we're going to show you a few highlights from the collection.
So here we have taken out 11 drawings which were made by Pierson in his childhood. He was the Chief Designer at Vickers Armstrong. In 1911 he joined the new Vickers Aviation Department here at Brooklands as a technician, and throughout the years he stayed in the company, gradually progressing onto different roles. Now the reason why I chose to show you these is because if you look at them closely, what we have discovered is a pattern. Now there's quite a lot of drawings of trains and boats and landscapes, but none of aircrafts, which kind of poses a very good question about his individuality as a person.